Hello friends, welcome to SourceCAD tutorials. Today I'll make a simple spur gear profile in 2D and 3D AutoCAD 2013. I'll start with drafting and annotation workspace. First of all, I'll make two construction lines, vertical and horizontal. Next, I'll make all the required intermediate circles. First, we'll make a circle with radius 0.25. A main circle with radius 0.25. Then 0.5, then 1. Finally, we will make a circle, each circle with radius 1.5. Now I'll offset horizontal construction line at the distance of 0.1309 units. Again I'll offset middle construction lines, horizontal one, at the distance of 0.047 units. Next, I will offset vertical construction line at the distance of 0.107 units on both sides. Now make an offset of this pitch circle at the distance of 0.1905 on both sides. Offset. Now we have all the anchor points for making a gear profile, a gear tooth completed. All we have to do is trim all the unwanted lines and circles. So we'll use trim command. And I'll delete all lines which are not required. We'll perform same trim operation on horizontal construction lines. Now use polar array to array this is a small segment of arc. About center, and we'll use 18 instances of that arc. Let's explode this one so that other operations can be performed on it. Now use 3-point arc tool and join these 3 points. Use it again. We have our teeth completed. Now delete every line which is not required. Now join I'll join all these 3 arcs into a single polyline. I'll use polar array once again to array this polyline about center. Again I'll use 18 instances and explode. Our gear profile is almost ready. All we have to do is just fillet out all these sharp edges. But before that, I will join all separate polylines. Now use fillet command and a radius of 0.062. Use multiple and fillet every sharp corner point. This is a little bit time-taking process. You can do this method otherwise also by making an array of all the 4 arcs that we have made previously. Now we have added out everything here. Next we will change our workspace to convert this into a 3D model. We have selected 3D modeling workspace. I will use press pull tool for performing 3D task. Select the bounded region and give it a depth of -0.5. I'll again select that region and give it a height of 0.5. The profile is not clearly visible, so I'll use shaded view. Now our profile is quite visible clearly here. Next, use press pull tool again, select this bounded region and again press pull 0.5 and 0.5 in positive direction. Next we have this region left, press pull it minus 0.25 and plus 0.25. We have our profile almost ready. All we have to do is just fill it out, all the sharp edges. Before filleting, I'll union complete body. Now go to solid and use fillet edge. I'll fillet all the edges with the radius of 0.125 units. Radius 0.125 units. I'll turn it backwards and perform same operation here. Press enter and again. We have our 3D spur gear profile complete in 3D workspace of AutoCAD. So that's all for today's class. We'll see another video in next week. Thank you guys for being with me.